Hi, sculpture artists! Welcome to another week of sculpture. Yay! We are charging forward with our Alabrije project this week. As usual, going through the motions. This week we have sketches. We're going to do about 5 minutes every single day. We are going to do a artist spotlight as usual. Those are due every single Friday. And I'm so excited by the artists that keep getting added onto the list. Our Freaky Friday list is never done. That's what I'm realizing. And so a lot of my portfolio students and a lot of my painters and sculptures in person are just adding artists every single week. If you ever want to try to add an artist to the list, please let me know, but we are more than flexible. We've added the animators and the illustrators of Monster High, of Gravity Falls, of Hotel Transylvania. We've added more special effects artists, toy designers. So please, if you have an artist in mind and you're like, dude, we need to add this to the list, please let me know. I would be more than happy to get them on. And we will continue to master art skills. And this week we are going to continue working on our Alabrije, more than our thumbnails though. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. There we go. As usual, it's October, so for your sketches, if you want to go the extra spooky mile, it is the month of Inktober using Sharpies and markers and following a monthly prompt. This is optional. This is not mandatory. This is just a fun extra challenge. If you're new to sculpture, welcome, welcome. Here's how to do the Freaky Fridays every single week. And this is mastering art skills. So online students, you guys are so lucky because you get to choose how you're going to do your Alabrije project. There's option one, which is actually building it, a 3D live sculpture model. There's option two, where it's a 2D design or you're just drawing your Alabrije. I will require 3 different drawings and all of them have to be in different poses. They must be 8 by 10, so printer paper or bigger. Or number 3 for choice, you can do a little bit of both drawing and creative writing or creating a short story. That short story is going to be 2,000 words, so I will need your first 500 by the end of the week, and I'll also need the outline for your 2 drawings. If you're just doing the drawings, I want an outline of all 3 of your drawings this week, and they must be in different poses, and you're going to submit a picture of your progress on that. And going back to choice 3, if you are doing a 2D design and a short story, you're going to submit your first 500 words and the outlines for your 2 drawings this week. And that's just outlines with pencil. I don't want you filling them in or coloring this week. We'll focus on that next week. Choice number 1, if you're actually constructing like what the in-person students are doing, we are making a skeleton this week made out of printer paper or scrap paper, and a lot of tape. So much masking tape. If you have a sculpture kit provided by yours truly, I have already given you a big roll of tape. It's waiting in your kit. You may need a little bit more, you may need a little bit less. I wasn't sure, so I gave you a full roll in a mini style. So it's the same exact tape quantity as a big roll. They just squish the inside cardboard and so it looks like a little roll. It's normal. So I've given you 1 full roll of masking tape and a huge 12-minute video on how to do this step for your skeleton. You'll be submitting a photo of what it looks like by the end of the week. And so, all right, guys. The rest is up to you. You do have to decide and stick with choice 1, 2, or 3. That'll be in your Wednesday or Tuesday weekly check for understanding. I will have you type in what choice you are going to do. So there's no flip-flopping after this week, and we'll go from there. Good luck, guys.